Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to hatch eggs in Pokémon GO. If you are trying to grow your Pokédex or just curious how the egg system works in Pokémon GO, then let's get started. First of all, open up your Pokémon GO application and log into your account if necessary. Make sure that you have eggs. You can get eggs by spinning Pokestops or gyms, receiving gifts from friends, completing special research or adventure sync rewards. You can hold up to 9 eggs at once. Now once you have enough eggs you can incubate. Go ahead and tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom center. In the pop-up, click on Pokemon. You will see the eggs tab at the top right corner. Tap on that and go ahead and tap on the incubator icon at the bottom right. Inside incubators, choose an incubator. Now choose an egg to incubate. Soon after you do that, once the egg is in the incubator, start walking. The distance only counts if your GPS is active and the app is open or Adventure Sync is turned on. Make sure you are moving at a reasonable walking speed, and once you walk the required distance, your egg will hatch automatically and a Pokemon will appear. The Pokemon depends on the egg type, current egg pool, and sometimes events. And that's how you can easily hatch eggs in Pokémon GO. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.